My name is Shukhra John Zakariayev. I'll be doing a Tableau project for GEB 4890. For this assignment, we had different companies competing with each other, such as Andrews, Baldwin, Chester, Digby, Airy, and Ferris. And we have up to 8 rounds. We only had to choose 3 of them, so I chose first 3 rounds. I have round 1 here. If I click this, it's gonna show me the last round I have data on. So I have round 3 here. So I also have a different columns such as return on sale, asset turnover, return on asset, leverage, return on equity, sales, earning before interest and tax, profit, and so on. Here, let's make this presentation mode. Okay, here I'm showing different companies and how much sales they made. Notice here we chose sell, and less money they make, it's lighter color. More money they make, it gets darker. Notice here it's showing 400 million. It's combination of 3 rounds, so they didn't make average is not 400 for one round. It's 400 million for 3 rounds. And I have all the companies listed here: Andrews, Baldwin, Chester, Digby, Airy, and Ferris. I did something similar, a little bit different. This one, it's a line chart. You can see like the progress from round 1, round 2, and round 3. For example, Andrews started here round 1. They did really poorly and moved up a little bit, and some started at the top and went down. And we can actually play around with this to change it. For example, if I put it ROS, it's gonna change the numbers. Notice we can play around and put EBIT, and it's gonna change it again. Now we have a measure comparison. So I have a measure 1 and measure 2. Measure 1 represents y variable, and measure 2 represents x variable. For example, I can change this to ROS, and I can change this to anything. Let's just do profit, so I can show that I can literally choose anything. Notice the measure 1 ROS, the numbers changed, and measure 2 profit, numbers changed. Everyone in a negative side except Airy. Airy is the one became profitable in the first 3 rounds. Here where we put everything together, right here, let me put this on the bottom, and I have that bar chart and line chart. Now you can only choose one since they're on the same page. If I click ROS, both will change, and if I click cells, again both numbers will change, and it's easier to see and compare quickly. And for measure comparison, I have 2 different drop down that I have to choose from. Let's choose asset turnover and profit. Notice here it's changing again. Let's change the profit to ROS. Again, it's changing. This thing is really helpful for the decision makers to be able to visualize the data and come up with better decision. That's all I had for today. Thanks for your time.